not only the hair transplantation, satisfaction of the patient is very, very important, because the satisfaction is the main aim of our clinic. Hello everyone, myself Dr. Santosh from New Root Hair Clinic, Kolkata branch. Today we will see a special case of grade 7 baldness. As you can see, what exactly the difficulties we are facing and what are the expectation of the patient from the doctors. So it's a quite two-way procedure. So as you can see, these are the result of the patient like after 5 to 6 months. So before proceeding to the patient, let us discuss some of the things what we done 6 months before in this patient. So as you can see here, so this is the case of grade 7 baldness, and in this case you can see from the posterior side, so there is very little area we have to take the graft, and these are the safe zone. So the problem is here, the expectations you have to cover whole bald area, but we have the problem like what exactly is not the problem, but we have a little less graft, like thin graft. These are the things. One is the thin graft, and we have to cover the more area. So during the procedure, as you can see, this is the picture after the procedure or after the hair transplantation. As you can see how we arrange the graft, whatever we taken from that limited area, we make the hairline, and that hairline, if you can see, we are making it into a layer. So as you can see the next picture, so this is the picture, next picture, and now you can see from the closer view, we arrange this graft in a specific pattern. That pattern is called the peacock feather pattern, or you can say the crisscross pattern. So whenever we have a limited graft, and how we put the graft in a special way. The special way is very important, because patient has to hide each and every bald area because of this special way. And as you can see, we can make this all arrangement in the special way, so that each and every part will be covered in that limited number of the graft. So this is the, you can see the crisscross arrangement, or you can say the peacock feather arrangement. Now as you can see from the back side, whenever you can see from the back side, if you see the patient on the first day, and you can see there is a amount of hair that you can use from the donor side, but actually this is the only safe zone. And you can see this one and the lower one, this is the unsafe zone. So we cannot really take the graft from this side, and that's what the special area, that's the area only we can take the healthy graft. So these are the kind of things we have to see in case of the grade 7 baldness. So this is the result of the patient. As you can see the photograph of the patient, so this is the front view, and you can see in this front view the hairline, it's not really go on upside or the downside. It's a perfect natural look. We have to maintain that look, and that is one of the most important thing for the satisfaction of the patient. The hairline is very important. Next you can see from the side view, this is the top view. You can see the density also on the top view. You can see the all front line hairline also, and this is from the back side. As you can see from the back side, there is a good amount of density of hair. Here there is a, like we are starting not only the surgery or hair transplant, we are starting certain medications. So patient will take that particular medication for certain period of the time, and after that medication the hair will again grow. As you can see, these are the thin hair right now. And we also have the things after 5 to 6 months, we can again reuse, and we can again plan for some new surgery or new things. So this is our actual patient, you can see here. So whatever I told you with this, you can see from this side view, you can see the front view, this is the hairline. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm very happy for this.
Anything you want to say?
मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई, क्योंकि मैं पहले इस तरह से था कि कैप लगा करके घूमता था, टोपी लगा करके, मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मेरा बाल आएगा नहीं। मैंने काफ़ी क्लिनिक पे ट्राई किया, लेकिन कहीं मुझे इस तरह का रिजल्ट नहीं प्रोवाइड हुआ। लास्ट मैंने यूट्यूब से देख करके पता किया न्यू रूट क्लिनिक के बारे पे, तो फिर मैं यहाँ पे जब आया, सर से बात किया,
Okay.
नीलेश जी से, तो उन्होंने मुझे एडवाइस दिया कि इस तरह से करना होगा, आपका 6 महीने बाद ग्रोथ हो जाएगा। तो जब मैंने ये देखा, प्रोसेस हुआ, तो पहले तो काफ़ी डर लगा, लेकिन
हाँ।
फिर धीरे धीरे जब मैंने देखा कि नहीं हो जाएगा, करना है, बाल आ जाएगा,
तो एक डर था ना,
तो वो
grade
डर
7
था,
इतना
जी।
ज्यादा बाल्डनेस है तो
हाँ।
होगा या नहीं होगा।
जी ऑफ कोर्स।
लेकिन अभी तो अच्छा लग रहा है एकदम।
लेकिन अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि चलो मेरा इतना है कि अब मुझे कोई नहीं बोलता है कि हाँ तुम्हारा बाल नहीं है।
ओके।
ऐसा है कि मतलब अच्छा लगता है देखने में भी। और पहले कहीं जाने में, कोई ओकेशन पे जाना, इवेंट पे जाना, काफी अंदर से मतलब के हेजिटेशन वाला मामला रहता था।
Yes.
लेकिन फिर वो धीरे धीरे अब वो कम हो चुका है, एक कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ चुका है पहले से।
Okay.
यही
So these are the things we are doing in this new root hair clinic. Not only the hair transplantation, satisfaction of the patient is very, very important, because the satisfaction is the main aim of our clinic. So thank you.